All right, so let's go through this principle you should know about set operations. And it is what you do when you get a question that asks you about set operations and it gives brackets like this. So whenever you do a set operations questions, you remember that we have 4 operations. Intersection is a type, difference is another one. So anyway, we have operations and you can see these brackets. What do they do to us? When you have brackets, the idea is always start with the things inside the brackets and you can find any solution you want. So solution for these questions would be, let's do part I. It says, find A intersection B minus C. So the first thing I'm going to find is A intersection B. What is A intersection B? I'm going to look for the part which is in A and in B. I start with 1. I take anything from A, I see if it is also in B. 1. Is 1 in B? Yes. So I can put it. So it'll be equal to 1. Then I say comma. 2. Is 2 in B? No. 3. Is 3 in B? Yes. So I can put it. Then I go to the next one. 4. Is 4 in B? No. 5. Is 5 in B? Yes. So it'll be 1, 3, and 5. Okay? Now if I then say A intersection B minus C, now I can get it. What is it going to be? I'm removing C from A intersection B. So I'm starting in A intersection B and I'm removing anything that is also in C. Now it can make sense. So we can start now from our A intersection B here because we now have it. What is A intersection B? It is 1, 3, and 5. So we start with 1. If it's in C, we can't put it. So 1, is it also in C? No. So we can put 1. 3, is 3 also in C? No. So we can put it. Next is 5. Is 5 also in C? No. So it can come like this. And now this would be your final solution and you would be done. Okay? That's how you solve it. Now let's do the second part. We have A union C intersection B. Okay? It could have even been, let's say A union C intersection B intersection A. Okay? It's like this. So how would we solve this? We start with the things in brackets. A union C. What is A union C? We are combining A and C. So what is the best way to combine? You start with the lowest number just going up. 0. Is 0 in A or C? No, it is not. What about 1? Yes, 1 is in A, so we can take it. Okay. What about 2? Is 2 there? Yes, 2 is there in A and C, so we can take it. Okay. What about, it is even there in both, so we could take it. What about 3? Yes, 3 is there in A or C, so it is actually there in A, we can take. What about 4? 4 is there because we say in A or C, and 4 happens to be in both of them, so we can take it, obviously. 5, is 5 there in A or C? Yes, 5 is there in A, so we can take it. 6, is 6 there in A or C? Yes, 6 is there in C, so we can take it. 7, no, it isn't in neither. 8, yes, 8 is in C. We can take it and we'll be done. These are the ones. Now, anyway, since we now have A union C, what is the next thing we'd get? Is the other part in brackets. Okay, B intersection A. So B intersection A. What is that part? The part which is in common. So what is in B and also in A? So we start with the things in B and see if they are also in A. 1. Is 1 also in A? Yes, so we can take it. Then we take the next thing. 3. Is 3 also in A? Yes, we can take it. The next guy in B is what? 5. Is 5 also in A? Yes, so we can take it. Sorry for closing. The next one would be 7. Is 7 also in A? No. 9. Is 9 also in A? No. So we are closing our B. Now we can find to say A union C minus A union C intersection B intersection A. We can get this now. Okay, because we are now getting the intersection of these two, A union C and B intersection A. We always get the things in bracket first. Then we can see the symbol that relates them. So in here, we want to see what is in A union C and also in B union A. We start with 1. Is 1 also in B intersection A? Yes, so we can take it. 2. Is 2 also in B intersection? No. 3. Is 3 also in B? Yes, we can take it. Okay, 4, is 4 also in B intersection A? No. 5, is it also? Yes, so we can take it. 6, no. 8, no. So would be done. And this is your final solution. That's what you do when you see brackets. Okay, bye.